Another perfect example in the medical field was for a while, especially during the COVID times, there was a waiver that was being given for gloves because people said that the gloves were not being produced in America. The gloves were all being produced overseas. And what happened was, as a result of this type of initiative, at that time it wasn't buy American, build American. At that time it was necessity, necessity, necessity. There was no supply chain, so we had to do it. But I think that that's a good example of how industry can have a need and then also business can meet that need at the time. And so I think that I really like the idea of the website and
Mhm.
people being able to check that. So if you're a manufacturer, definitely take the time to go and take a look at the website because you want to be able to let other people know, hey, I'm here in the United States and I can do this. Another example is something that we've worked on before with the company, which is the semiconductors. That's
Mhm.
a good example of it as well. There were a lot of vehicles and other things that needed them, and they were being all produced overseas. There was an issue with it, the supply chain,
Okay.
and now we've seen a kind of a pivot to making sure that we don't have those kinds of things happen here in the United States.